Subscribe to the Minor Tech Tip channel, also hit the notification bell to get notified every time I post a video. If you use your PC on a daily basis, perhaps you are a YouTuber or you are a hardcore gamer who plays offline games as well as online battle royale games, and you want the wireless sound in your PC. But unfortunately, you don't have a Bluetooth headphone to connect with your PC. Then this video is for you. So what's up guys, Kushal here, and in this video I'm gonna show you that how you can turn your phone into a wireless earphone or even a Bluetooth speaker. So without any further ado, let's get straight into it. So this really helped me so much because I play a lot of games in daily basis. And also I make videos for YouTube, right? But my CPU is too far from where I sit and make videos or play games. And I don't have any headphone extender and it costs too high in Amazon. So I made a wireless earphone using my phone. So before starting the method, I want to tell you that this will work only with those PCs which has Wi-Fi in it. And it will also work with laptops too, as it has inbuilt Wi-Fi in it. So if your PC don't have any Wi-Fi, then you need a Wi-Fi adapter like this to use this trick. And you can find the link of this product in the description below. So you need a Wi-Fi adapter, an Android phone, and a normal earphone which you use to listen music in your phone. And that's it guys, you're good to go. Now then, let's go to the actual procedure. So if you have a laptop, then you are already set up for this trick. But for PC users, first plug the Wi-Fi adapter. Then in your phone, open up the Play Store and search for Audio Relay. Then download it and install it in your phone. And then open up the application, go to Settings and click on the server under Setup section. Then copy the link and download the software from that link. After downloading it, install it in your PC. Once you're done with the installation process, now connect your phone's Wi-Fi and your PC's Wi-Fi in the same Wi-Fi network. Once both of the devices are connected into the same Wi-Fi network, now open up the PC application which you have just installed from the download link. Once you open up the application, it should say ready and the IP address will be showing there. After that, again open up the phone audio relay. Then it should automatically detect the server. Just click on it and you're done. But in case if it doesn't detect the server, then click on the three dots icon at the upper right side of the screen and connect manually. Here you give that IP address which is showing in your PC's audio relay software. And now you can listen the PC's audio into your phone. And if you're gaming, then just plug a headphone and voila, you just created a wireless earphone. Also, if you have a speaker connected to your PC, then just turn the volume all the way down because it will not affect your wireless sound. You can turn up or down the volume from your phone only. So that was pretty much of it guys. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, then drop a like, subscribe to the channel and also share this video with your friends and your family. Also, if you have any questions, then you can comment down below and I'll be there to help you. And I'll see you guys in the next one.